Is HR management holding you back? We get it. Running a business is a lot to juggle, and managing HR, it can feel like just one more thing slowing you down. But HR doesn't have to be complicated. At WINC HR, we simplify it with monthly support packages tailored to your business needs. Start with our Essentials HR support package. You'll get expert HR and employment law advice when you need it, regular updates to keep you compliant, and quarterly check-ins to ensure your HR is always on track. Looking for more? The Professional HR Solutions package takes it a step further. You can confidently manage your people with bi-monthly check-ins, personalized offer letters, and templates for every HR scenario. For businesses ready to go all in, our premium HR strategy package includes everything in the Professional HR Solutions package, plus DISC behavioral profiles or training sessions, custom HR policies, and strategic people planning sessions to align your team with your goals. At WINC HR, we believe that your business thrives when you invest in your people. We're here to save you time, reduce stress, and ensure your business stays compliant while helping you build a positive, engaged workplace. Why choose WINC HR? Because we're more than just HR support. We're your partner in building a successful business, offering expert guidance tailored to your needs. Ready to make HR easier? Get in touch today. Call us at 0203468258 or at info@winchr.uk. WINC HR, your partner in business growth and people success.